Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. I'm just sharing with you a sneak peek of my latest project. I am working on the video still, but I'm here to share with you some awesome Amazon deals like this UV light resin kit, and you get the light and the UV resin as well, and this one is priced at $9.98. Here we have the gallon epoxy resin back again. This is the gallon each part, and this is $79.99. Clip the coupon, put in a code, and drop it down to $39.99. And here we have this extra fine metallic glitter. It's an 8 ounce. Each color is 2 ounce. We're dropping it down to $5.40 with our code. Here, this is my favorite. It's an 18-piece coaster resin molds, and the cool thing about this is that they have like different designs and different textures, and this one is priced at $18.99. Clip the coupon, drop it down to $9.44. Now here we have this earring pendant resin molds. You get 2 of them, and this is perfect for making keychains, necklaces, or earrings. And this one is priced at $4.89, but with our code, we're dropping it down to $2.44. I was just surprised to see tons of mold deals, and I just had to share it with you. Like this one, it's a wine rack and coaster mold, and this one is priced at $11.99 with our code $5.99. And remember, all the links, codes, and instructions will be down in the description box, along with my YouTube channel link, so you can go ahead and check out that other YouTube channel. And if you like what you see, you're gonna love it over there. So be sure to join us over there. And the last deal is this wreath. You can go ahead and pick from 2 different types, and we're gonna go back to the lowest one. So that $30.99 is going to turn into $15.49 with the code. Now don't forget to check out Tina's Daily Deals. I'll see you over there, and let's start saving.